In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Calendly with Google Calendar. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
First, you need to open your web browser and head over to the Calendly website. You can easily find it by typing in calendly.com in your address bar, which will take you to the homepage of Calendly. This platform is fantastic for setting up appointments, as it allows others to schedule time with you without the usual back and forth of finding a suitable time. Once you're on the Calendly homepage, you will see the login button at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. If you already have an account, enter your login details. If not, you might want to sign up, which is straightforward and free for basic functionalities. After logging in, you'll find yourself on your Calendly home dashboard. This is where you can see all your scheduled meetings, create new event types, and manage your account settings. But our focus today is on integrating with Google Calendar, so let's move forward. To start the integration, look at the menu options on the navigation bar, and you'll see one labelled Integrations and Apps. Click on this and it will bring you to a page with various apps you can connect Calendly to, enhancing its functionality. Now in the search bar on the integrations page, type calendars to quickly narrow down the list of potential integrations. As you do this, you'll see different calendar options pop up, but we want to select Google Calendar, which is one of the most popular options available. Select Google Calendar from the list. This step is crucial as it allows these two powerful tools to work together seamlessly. By doing so, you enable your Google Calendar to display any scheduled events or appointments that are set up through Calendly. This integration not only ensures that you never double book in either system, but also automates updates to your calendar, freeing you from manually entering each new meeting. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to integrate Calendly with Google Calendar. This setup helps keep everything organized in one place, ensuring that managing your time becomes a lot more fluid and stress-free. Remember, using tools like Calendly efficiently can save you a massive amount of time and hassles, leaving you more time to focus on what truly matters. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're now comfortably set up to make the most of these tools. Thanks for watching.